औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। हिस्ट्री से आज क्लास 8 के लिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। हाउ डिड ज्योति राव एंड द अदर रिफॉर्मर्स जस्टिफाई देयर criticism of caste inequality in society? आंसर इसका है ज्योति राव फूली refused to accept the Brahmanas' claim that since they were Aryans, that is why they were superior to others. Fully said that Aryans were foreigners, they came from outside and defeated the original inhabitants of the country as they established their dominance over here. They started to look original inhabitants as inferior and gave them the name of lower castes. Fully was of the view that upper castes had no right to land and power. Actually, this land belonged to native people, the so called lower caste. He proposed that Shudras and anti Shudras should unite themselves to stand against caste discrimination. Question number 8 है why did Fully dedicate his book Gulamgiri to the American movement to free slaves? ज्योति आंसर इसका ज्योति राव फूली wrote a book in 1873 called Gulamgiri, which means slavery. Around 10 years before this, the American Civil War was fought, which led to an end to slavery in USA. Fully dedicated his book to all those Americans who fought against slavery. In this way, he established a link between the conditions of lower castes in India and the black slaves in USA. Question number 9 है why did Dr. Ambedkar want to achieve through the temple entry movement? Answer the temple entry movement was started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in 1927, which was participated by his Mahar caste followers. Brahman priests were outraged when the lower castes used water from the temple tank. Dr. Ambedkar led three such movements for temple entry between 1927 and 1935. His aim was to make everyone see the power of caste prejudice within the society. Question number 10 है why were Jyoti Rao Phule and Rama Swami Naikar critical of the national movements? Did their criticism help the national struggle in any way? Answer इसका they both were critical of the national movement because they were of the view that leaders of national movement are hardly listening to the plight of lower castes as they lived a hell-like life from centuries. Their criticism helped the national movement in a great deal because the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar took the cause of lower castes, which helped in a great deal to national movement. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसके साथ ही ये क्वेश्चन जो इसके हैं इसके थे वुमेन कास्ट एंड रिफॉर्म, तो ये कंप्लीट हुए। इंशाल्लाह कल और एक टॉपिक लेकर मैं आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हो जाऊंगा, और ये उम्मीद रखूंगा कि जो कुछ भी यहाँ पर मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चंस दिखाए वीडियो के ज़रिए, आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक पर दर्ज करोगे। बाकी वसल्लम।